Hi, Buzz Goddard with NetStreams. I'm going to give you just a quick overview of one example of the user interface so you can get an idea of what it's like to control a fully IP audio, video, and control system. So this would be an average home screen. There's a lot of flexibility here, but typically what happens is when you select location, these are actually individual IP addressable amplifier and room controllers, but people don't think in terms of IP addresses, so the installer simply types in a name that's going to work in that particular location, like living room, for example. When we select that, you'll have the options for what do you want to do now. If you want to listen to audio or video, you select that, and we can see right now, for example, we're streaming music from a music server or a PC, perhaps an iPod as well. We get full metadata on that, including the cover art with it, and of course we can browse through our music, albums, artists, playlists, that kind of thing. If we have other sources, say an old school style CD player, of course we don't get any metadata with that, but we do have complete control over it via IR or serial control of it, and it even gives you options for being able to control up to the old like 300 disc players, etc. Things like tuners have their own user interfaces, DVD player, PVR, any of those kind of devices, and you can have as many sources on the system as you want. One of the great things, because this is basically just like any computer network, you can have any number of sources to any number of rooms. Now, they may not just be audio or video, you may be doing something like IP cameras. Now, we can have as many cameras as we want on the system. We can see up to 4 cameras at a time. If we're interested in a particular location, like what's going on out in the parking lot, we simply touch that and that goes to full screen. If it's a PTZ controllable camera, you have all those controls built into the system as well. Additionally, we have interfaces for lighting and interfaces with virtually every major lighting company. We also have interfaces for security panels, HVAC, pools, spas, all sorts of things, and a complete built-in intercom system, which is the highest fidelity and most flexible system available.